Hey y'all, my name's Chef Jean-Paul Bourgeois and welcome to Field to Flame. I'm here with my friends from Kingsford and Masterbuilt, and I got some great grilling and smoking recipes that I'm gonna show y'all. Let's get cooking. Today I'm firing up my Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050, fueled up with that Kingsford original charcoal for these delicious seared and braised pork belly sliders. Now that we got it all seasoned up, it's time for the grill. I've set my Gravity Series up to 500 degrees to caramelize all sides of this pork belly so you can really capture that smoky Kingsford charcoal flavor. For this pork belly, we're going to create a braising liquid from root beer, beef stock, and aromatics like onion, garlic, bay leaf, and peppercorns. Our braising liquid's put together. Now it's time to get the pork belly in the liquid and on the grill. Our pork belly has been cooking for 2 or 3 hours now, so it's nice and tender. While our pork belly rests, we're gonna go ahead and make our dill mayo. I'm gonna brush these slider buns with a little butter and toast them till they're nice and golden. Our pork belly is done and ready to handle. I'm gonna remove it from the braising liquid, slice it about 1/4 inch thick or the size of your slider buns. The only thing left is to assemble these pork belly sliders with a little dill mayo on each side of the bun and some bread and butter pickles. That's how it's done. Let's give it a bite. That bite was fatty, rich, decadent, but that mayonnaise and the pickle cut through it all. But the thing I'm most impressed about is the smoky, rich flavor you get only from that Kingsford original charcoal. Thanks for watching, folks. You can find this recipe and more Field to Flame dishes right here. Pick up your ingredients, your Gravity Series grill, your Kingsford charcoal, and I'll see y'all next week.